out in your ball sweat or your pom pom sweat. So hi guys, in today's video I wanted to talk about my gym journey and how I lost 15 pounds in 3 months. I felt like I did it the healthy way and I felt like I did it the right way, and I wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks and what I think you need to do in order to lose just about the same, if not more, on your fitness journey. And I'm talking from experience. So first thing is first, do not overcomplicate going to the gym. You don't need any fancy clothes, you don't need any fancy equipment, you don't need any fancy shoes. Whatever you have, wear it and go. And if you don't want to start in the gym, I would suggest you start by doing daily walks. And once you start with your daily walks, make sure you're getting in about 10,000 steps a day. So that's about, give or take, 1,000 calories. I will say shoot for burning 2,000 calories, but if you can only get 10,000 steps in, do that. As long as you're moving around, as long as you're moving your body. You don't need any fancy gym clothes. If you just have big shirt and joggers, wear that. That's how I started. And this may be TMI. I used to wear my gym clothes to the gym twice. So I would wear Tuesday and I would wear Wednesday, and I would dry them in between, make sure they were dry. So you don't need any fancy clothes or anything like that. I feel like you only invest in gym clothes once you know that this is going to be a lifestyle for you and you're not just doing it to lose some weight quickly. So once you have invested about 3 to 4 months into consistently going into the gym, that's when I feel like it's okay to actually start investing in cute items or items that are of higher quality, just to be safe. And another thing, I don't feel like you need a trainer to start. The reason why I feel like you don't need a trainer to start is because we have access to the internet. A lot of workouts can be found on YouTube. Also, there's great persons on TikTok that do fitness content, amazing. And also, we're in the age where we have classes. So you have Zumba classes, you have cardio sculpt classes. You can go to different classes if you're not quite sure what you're supposed to be doing, and the instructors are going to set out a planned routine for you that day. And if you consistently keep going, you'll consistently lose weight and you will consistently lose fat. So with me, for my goals, I wanted to do recomposition, a body recomposition. So I wanted to lose some weight while also build muscle, and majority of the weight I wanted to lose was in my midsection. I had 2 kids, 18 months apart, and my midsection is not as flat as it used to be, and I had diastasis recti. So my core was not strong anymore and I needed to work on that. I wanted to also keep my butt. I had a nice butt. And I wanted to keep my butt nice, but I wanted to be more toned. I wanted to tighten up this area and my thighs and my legs, and that's exactly what I did while building muscle, while recompositioning my body. And you find that when you start going to the gym, you don't have the energy, it's a drag for you. You just can't get through a full workout. I would suggest you take pre-workout supplements, or you can do energy drink, or some people drink coffee, some people drink tea. Figure out what works for you and what gives you the optimal energy boost that you will need to fulfill your full workout. For me personally, I hit the gym anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half. I'm not one of these fitness girlies that can stay in the gym 2-3 hours and make content, because that's all I do. I have a family, I have children, so I need to make sure when I go into the gym, I'm optimizing my time and I'm optimizing my workout so it best suits me, my lifestyle, and what I'm trying to do with my body. For me personally, I am a pre-workout girl. I never used to drink pre-workout, but my husband actually introduced me to pre-workout. So you get a full scooper in your pre-workout. I started out with 1/3 of that scoop, then I went up to half scoop. Now I'm at a full scoop. I would definitely suggest you start like that and building up your tolerance with pre-workout, because pre-workout comes with some side effects. You may be itchy, you may be scratchy, you may feel like you're excessively sweating, you may feel like your heart rate is racing. So if you're going to be using pre-workout or energy drink or anything like that, I would definitely suggest you take your time and build your tolerance up as you go to the gym consistently. The first month I did 1/3 of a scoop. The second month I did half a scoop. Now 3 months in and more, I'm doing a full scoop, and my body tolerates it well. I don't get any excessive side effects because I build up my tolerance for my pre-workout. Also, my pre-workout has creatine in it. Some people add creatine to their workout supplements, and that's what I'm going to talk about next. When you allow the gym to become a habit, you will have to invest in things like protein shakes, fruits, nutrients, pills, as far as that is concerned. And a lot of people don't talk about how expensive that portion is. When you actually start getting really into fitness, you have to invest in supplements, you have to invest in pre-workout, you have to invest in protein supplements, protein alternatives, because when you're working out, your body needs all the protein it can get. That's how you're going to lose fat and build muscle. A lot of people don't talk about that investment once you get into your fitness journey, but I feel like it is really important. You need to be taking your supplements, you need to be making sure you're getting enough protein. And I will leave a protein calculator in the description box, because everybody protein intake requirement is different. I'm 5'6". I'm about 190 pounds now. I require about 73 grams of protein a day. So it's all based on height and weight and what you're trying to do, whether you're in a caloric deficit or a caloric maintenance, or you're in a calorie surplus. I tend to be in a calorie deficit, but I make sure I get my right amount of protein. So that's something to be wary of. You can do protein powder that has like the milky substance, smoothie substance, and you also have another protein powder that actually tastes like lemonade. So if you're tired of smoothies and stuff like that, you can interchange them. And once you start going to the gym, you're trying to make it a habit, a lifestyle, I feel like that is the way to go. Sometimes now I actually go to the gym at 5 a.m. I normally go to the gym from 9 to 10, or from 9 to 10 or 9 to 10:30, but now I've been going to the gym like from 5 to 6:30, and I love it. I wake up early, I get so much stuff done. It's amazing, and I think I'm probably gonna continue going to the gym from 5 to 6:30. I normally go to the gym from 9 to 10:30 because a lot of the classes at my personal gym are from 9 to 10 o'clock. So I would hop in a class and do that, and then after I get out my classes, I would hop out of those classes and I would work out on my own for 30 minutes. But now that I am comfortable in the gym, I know all the equipment, I know what I'm doing, I don't really take classes anymore. So my first 3 months, I definitely was taking classes and getting reacquainted with the gym equipment and all of that. So if you're new, I definitely suggest taking classes, getting your feet wet and getting yourself comfortable in that space. So once you make it a lifestyle, I will definitely say there is some gym etiquette that you have to learn. So if you're using a particular equipment, please make sure you're cleaning up after yourself. We're in Corona season, we're in a very sensitive time, and if you're going to the gym, I would suggest you clean the equipment before you use it and after, because they just leave the equipment. No one wants to work out in your ball sweat or your pom pom sweat. So clean up after yourself. That is a basic gym etiquette. So for the men, when you see women working on upper body, please don't intimidate them. Please don't try to make them feel bad. Or I find that when women try to go into the gym and work upper body, because a lot of men tend to do mostly upper body, they try to intimidate other women. I don't know what it is, it's just weird. And if you start going to the gym, you see a lot of the weird interactions as far as the gym is concerned. Also, if you see somebody that you like in the gym, leave them alone. Don't question them. Majority of the time, especially women, when they go to the gym, they don't want to be bothered. Do not go and interrupt someone, especially a woman working out in the middle of their set. It's hella disrespectful and it's hella annoying. Also, don't go in the gym and stare at people. If you're going into the gym, go out to work out. Stop going into gym to people watch and stare at people. It's hella disrespectful and annoying also. So those are just a few of my gym etiquettes that I see all the time, and I think like people need to be aware of. And for me personally, now the gym has become a form of therapy. Like if I'm mad, if I'm sad, if I'm unhappy, anything at all, once I go to the gym, I'm good. If I have something on my mind or something is bothering me, I go to the gym, I'm fine. I don't let much bother me anymore. And I think it's because of the gym. I have an outlet, and I have been dedicating myself to getting myself back to the person I was. So another thing I will say, I feel like losing weight and building muscle is a 50-50. So it's 50% gym, working out and exercising, and then the other 50% is what you eat. And so the first 2 months into our fitness journey, we completely cut all carbs out of our diet, all sugars, and then we feel like we were binging. So on the weekends we would binge eat carbs, which wasn't good. So what we started doing, and this is my suggestion, is don't completely cut anything out of your diet. Eat it in moderation. And this is what we do. So from Monday to Thursday, we eat clean, mostly protein and vegetables. We'll have some carbs here and there, but it's mostly protein and vegetables. So from Friday to Sunday, we'll have our rice. I'm a Caribbean. Hubby is Jamaican. I'm Jamaican. I love my rice and peas. I love my curry goat. I love my oxtail. He loves his cow skin and stuff like that. Those days are up. We go straight back into clean eating. There's no ifs, ands, buts, or maybes about it. And we find that when we do that, we don't binge eat. When we completely cut it out, our carbs out of our diet, we would tend to binge eat on the weekends. Now that we have allowed ourselves some grace and actually allow ourselves to eat carbs like on the weekends, we don't binge eat, and we don't binge eat as often. So that's something that I've realized in our fitness journey as far as eating is concerned. I would also say make sure you're tailoring your portions to your goals. If you want to lose weight, I would say eat in a slight calorie deficit. If you want to maintain the weight that you have now and you don't want to lose weight, eat in a maintenance. If you're trying to gain muscle mass, I would say eat in a slight surplus. And for me to lose weight, I eat at a calorie deficit. So for example, if I have my watch, my smart watch, that tells me how many calories I burn. So if I burn 2,000 calories today, I'm going to eat a meal that's between 1,200 to 1,500 calories. And I'm not a person that is starving themselves to lose weight or anything like that, because I'm not that type of girl. I still enjoy my wines on the weekends. Completely restrict yourself, or else you're gonna find in yourself binge eating or binge drinking, and you're not going to lose the weight that you want to. While I feel like the gym is a priority and a necessity to lose weight, what you eat also plays a huge role. What you eat definitely play a huge role in losing weight and transforming your body. Whether you want to completely lose weight or you're doing a body recomposition, what you eat is going to play a huge role. So I suggest clean eating, high protein, low carbs, high vegetables diet. So those are my tips and tricks on how I lost my 15 pounds in 3 months. If you want to see workout routines and stuff like that, I'll link them in the description box, because I have a few here on my channel. And I will show you guys some physique pictures and video footage. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.